Hello everybody, SAP Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to check Facebook friend request send list. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, update and open your Facebook app. This is same as Android and iPhone. So just go to the Facebook and then go to the friends options and then click to the requested options beside the your friends options. Just click to the requested options. You can see all the friend requests here. Just click to the three dot menu in the top right side. After that you will see option that view send request. Just click on that. After that you will see all the send requests whatever you did on your past. So that's the process. I can see all the friend request send list whatever you've done. So that's the process I can see. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos, and don't forget to support us for more incoming videos, interesting videos.